Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy S23 device, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 best themes for this smartphone. So, if you have tired of the standard appearance of your device, you need to change something. So, I constantly like the standard themes application because here we have thousands themes for our device, but in our case, our device is new. My device is new, and it was released a few days ago, and I have good free themes in themes store. So as you can see here, I have no water sky UX theme. So just water sky. I have no water sky UX theme here. I have no dark emerald theme, and that was my favorite themes for Samsung devices. And I know you like these themes too, because you have liked and written comments that these are the best themes for Samsung Galaxy S22 and S22 Ultra devices. But what we can do now when there are no good themes for our devices? So, I suggest you use third-party themes, and now I will show you the top of 3 best third-party themes for your Samsung Galaxy S23 device. So let's start. So firstly, open Play Store, and now I'm gonna show you theme on the third place in my top. This is the iOS launcher. iOS launcher by Blue Team Developer. So wait a while, I need to set up it. Okay, so just find this theme and then click open. Volume it up, allow, scroll down. Okay, scroll down, make it hold up. Okay, great. So as you can see here, we have really great, really beautiful iOS style design. We have iOS style icons. We have iOS main menu, but we need to get the grant access to our files, but you can do it later. And here we have widgets panel. So this is great, beautiful theme, but you have Samsung. If you have paid for Samsung, you can buy the iOS. Okay, so if you have both the Samsung, maybe you don't like the iOS. So I really understand. So, but I just showed you the theme because it's really beautiful and it's too simple. Okay. And of course, this launcher is good because you can download Control Center to change your Samsung Control Center to iOS Control Center. You can change lock screen to iOS style lock screen. So you can change everything here, and it because I like this launcher. Okay, so great. On the second place in my top is Launcher launcher. So just find it and install. Now open settings, scroll down, find apps here. Choose default apps, home app, and choose launcher. Click always allow this app to access widget content, allow. Great. So as you can see here, we have really simple Android style launcher, naked Android. Okay. So here as you can see, we have really simple interface with no unnecessary features. Always. And as you can see here, we have everything we need. We have Samsung panel, but we have just simple Android interface. But why I love this launcher? Because all good icon packs you can install into this launcher. So for example, just find icon pack viral. This is my favorite icon pack. So just find this icon pack, click install. Click open. Hello. As you can see here, we have 6,000 of icons. It's really great. As you can see here now, we have simple Android interface with very beautiful icons. All my apps, all my icon apps are redrawn, and it really looks great. I think it's really beautiful. So you can set up this icon pack, you can set up any other icon packs, you can install into launcher. So I think it's really great. But on the first place in our top is Microsoft Launcher. So we need to open Play Store and find here Microsoft Launcher. Find it and install. Then click open, get started, while in the app, hello, continue. Here as you can see, we can sign into the Microsoft account, and if you will sign in, you can create a pair with your Samsung device and with your Microsoft device. Then log in into Microsoft account, then click on this button link to Windows, and you will be able to get all your messages, receive calls on your Windows device. So you can create a pair like iPhone and MacBook, and you can create a pair with Samsung and Windows Book. Okay, so I will skip it now. Click hello, and now as you know, Microsoft Launcher has not too pretty interface. As you can see, this is the standard of Samsung interface. Okay, so standard not Samsung but Microsoft interface. But if you are using Microsoft account with Microsoft Launcher with Samsung device, you can now click continue to insert your Microsoft account into your One UI Microsoft Launcher into your One UI launcher. You can integrate Microsoft Launcher into your device. Now I'll show you how it works. So now just open settings, click apps, choose home app, Microsoft Launcher, and as you can see now I have just a simple Microsoft Launcher. Here we have app drawer, not too pretty, but it's very good because it's very we have here too many features. Okay, display out, hidden apps, we can hide apps, we can set up gestures, dock. For example, as you can see here I have double dock. I can make triple dock for favorite applications. Okay, so as you can see I can create triple dock. I can set up everything here. The best feature of this launcher is the gestures. For example, with 2 fingers I want to run drive, for example. So 2 fingers and drive is opened. So it's really great. Okay. And now, as you can see, this launcher on your eyes was integrated into my One UI launcher, and now I have still enabled Microsoft Launcher. I have still a Microsoft Launcher as default, but now it looks pretty, it looks beautiful, and in this time it still Microsoft Launcher with all Microsoft Launcher features. Okay, so as you can see, here I have the same launcher, but with Samsung accounts, with Samsung icons, with Samsung search, but with all Microsoft features. So if you want to disable this feature, you can disable it using settings, but I think it is very cool and you don't need to disable it. You have here wallpapers button to change your wallpaper to random pretty wallpaper from Bing search, and I think this is the best launcher for this device because this launcher is integrated into one UI launcher, and because of this launcher is light and functional. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and of course write in comments which launcher you like. And that's it. Bye. See you.